Hi boys and girls, welcome to math. Now today in math, we're going to read this book called The Mouser, the Merrier, and it's about a bunch of mice. We're going to count some of these mice here in the book, and then we're going to do a drawing activity. We're going to draw a mouse and some pieces of cheese. So first let's read our book, The Mouser, the Merrier. It was a rainy day. Albert was bored. No outside games today. No cheese tag. No hide and go squeak. His friends were all holed up in their own homes in the walls of the people house. I wish I had someone to play with, Albert complained. Why don't you go see if Leo can come over, Mom asked. You two can play a game. Albert's sister, Wanda, looked up from her book. Can I ask Lucy too? Mom smiled. Of course. The mouser, the merrier. Albert and Wanda scampered down the passageway. Then suddenly they heard meow. It was their friend Charlie. You didn't fool me, Albert grumbled. Where are you going? Charlie asked. To see if Leo and Lucy can come over and play, Wanda said. Can I come over too? Sure, Albert said, but no more meowing. You might scare my mom. Charlie went to ask his parents if he could go play. Albert and Wanda hurried on. 4 mice were going to play at our house, Wanda said. You, me, Lucy, and Leo. Now we'll have 5. We didn't ask if we could invite Charlie. Albert smiled. You heard, Mom. The mouser, the merrier. So I see here at the bottom of the page, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I believe there should be that same number in this thought bubble. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. A delicious smell drifted through an open door. Ronald and Rachel were making cheese soup for lunch. Want to come over and play? Albert said. We'd love to, Rachel said. After we wash the dishes, Ronald reminded her. There were going to be 5 of us, Wanda said. Rachel makes 6. Ronald makes 7. Yes, Albert said. Isn't that great? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They met up with the mousy triplets next. Albert invited them too. 8, 9, 10, Wanda groaned. Where are we going to put 10 mice? Albert shuffled cheerfully. He ran on ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Melody was practicing with her new band, Mousetrap. Albert invited all 4 of them. 11, 12, 13, 14? Albert, that's too many mice. The mouser, the merrier, Albert reminded her. Wanda covered her eyes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What if we count in the opposite direction? What if we start here and go that way? Is it the same number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Same number, no matter which way you count. Finally, they reached Leo and Lucy's house. Can we bring our cousin Fred? Leo asked. The mouser, the merrier, Albert said. Wanda just moaned. On the way home, the 4 band members joined them. Then mousy triplets, Rachel and Ronald and Charlie. Wow, Charlie said. That's a lot of mice. Albert looked around and gulped. All he wanted was a friend or two to make a rainy day more fun. But 15 mice? What in the world would Mom say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Mom opened the door. She looked at all the mice. She looked at Albert. You know what I always say? The mouser, the merrier. And 15 mice ran outside to play in the sun. The end. Good story, huh? All right, boys and girls. So for our next part of our math lesson, we're going to draw a mouse and then draw some cheese. So I'd like you to get a blank piece of paper and some crayons or marker or a pencil. And I'm going to go right here to my paper. At first, we're going to draw a mouse, okay? It's going to be really simple. We're going to make it easy to do, okay? So you can pause the video whenever you need to go ahead and catch up. And let's get our marker, crayon, or pencil. I'm going to go ahead and just I'll use the color blue. Okay? And then I'm going to go about medium thickness. And first, let's draw the eyes of the mouse. So it's real simple. First, draw a circle. Doesn't matter if it's perfect. Mine is not either. So you're drawing a circle just like that. Then we're going to draw a smaller circle here right on the edge of this circle right here. Okay? So just kind of a smaller circle. Like that. Okay? And then we're going to do another big circle, but we're going to make it not a complete circle, but just to kind of connect to this one, okay? So do your best to connect it. Okay? Here we go. And around, like that, okay? And then we're going to do another circle, small one, right on the edge, just like over here. We're going to do it right here, okay? And small little circle. Okay? Then we can just fill it in. A harder time to do that, but you can just fill in that small circle. Tell you what, I'm going to get a little bit thicker line so it'll be easy to fill in. I'm just going to put some dots here and here, and you can just fill that in. So now we have 2 eyeballs, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and get my medium again. Now we have the eyeballs. We need a nose and some ears, okay? Let's go ahead and do a triangle just like that, okay? So I'm going to go straight down and over like that. Easy, huh? Okay, so triangle doesn't have to be perfect, and you don't really need to do the top of the triangle, it just connects to the eyes, okay? So you have your triangle, and then we're going to do an oval shape at the end of the triangle for the nose. There we go. And then you can fill that in too. So you can darken that in just like the eyeballs. You're starting to see the face of the mouse show up. Now we're going to do some big circles for the ears, okay? So we show that they're a different size than the eyes. Okay, so we're going to do a circle, and again, we're going to connect it to the eye right here. Go. And then we're going to do another one, and you can go from here just to about there. So it kind of looks like part of it's hidden. Really, it's just the other ear. There, just like that. Okay. All right, so we have the head of the little mouse. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and just do the body. We're going to make it very simple. We're going to do just a big oval for the body of the mouse. There, just like that. Okay. And then for the feet, we're just going to do some really stretched out ovals on the bottom. This is one. Big foot right there. And another one. Just to connect right there. See? And then we can put a couple little bitty arms for his front arms. See? Just like that. One. Now you can color in your mouse, his body. You can color in his feet if you'd like. I would just leave this part white, his eyes. Okay, so you can see what those are. And you could decorate his ear if you wanted to. You could put another small circle inside, just like that. Or you could leave it alone. I'm going to actually take that off. Leave my mouse just like that. Now here's where I want you to draw a certain amount of pieces of cheese, okay? So I want you to draw this many pieces of cheese. I'm not going to tell you what it is. I'm going to draw the number. And that is a 1, just so you know. It's kind of crooked. And there's the second number. Oops. Okay, so that's a 4. It's very hard on the computer here, but that is a 1 and a 4. So what number is that? And if you don't know, you can ask your parents. And now we're going to draw that many pieces of cheese. Now, you can just do it really simply. And you can just do a shape of a triangle for one piece of cheese, just like that. There's 1, there's 2. Put them right in front of his eyes so he's looking at them. So your little mouse is getting hungry. He's ready to eat these pieces of cheese. And I'm just going to keep drawing. So there's some cheese. Now, how many pieces do I have there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we don't want that many. We want this many. So go all the way up to this number. Alright, you have your mouse, that amount of cheese, and boy, his eyes are big because he's hungry and he's ready to eat that cheese. So take a picture, upload it. Thank you for joining me today on math.